Good evening, everyone. My name is Inotimira A. Desmond. I'm a Nigerian by nationality. I'm also a student of MBA program Business Environment at Torres University, Australia. In addition, I will be presenting on the final self-reflection in regards to business environment. I will start by defining what self-reflection is all about. According to Open University 2021, page 4, self-reflection is like looking into a mirror describing what you see. It is a way of assessing yourself, your ways of working, and how you study. To put it simply, reflection means to think about something. Furthermore, this presentation will be based on the basis of the following. My understanding of business project environment, its economic principles change, what my professional goals are, how does what I have learned relate to my present and future career and professional aspiration. As I think about the future, how might I apply my learning experiences in life of my profession? And what could I do to further my professional development outside of my formal studies? Firstly, my understanding of business project environment is economic principle have changed. My perspective in regard to my business understanding talking about stakeholders, stakeholder mapping, type of stakeholders, and their various impact in business management, in brackets Stingling J 2015, page 90. In addition, the impact of micro and microeconomy, market structure, consumers and customers difference have boldly made me to understand the essence of business environment, in bracket Eric J 2021, page 40. Secondly, what are my professional goals have gone through this training? My dream of becoming a healthcare professional pioneer remains ultimate goal of my career as a result of what I have learned so far. Advocating for the need of proper management of health-related institutions like hospital, health medical schools, industrialization of pharmaceutical industry across the region, states, countries, continents, all these remain my vision, missions, and goals. In bracket, June 2015, page 8. Furthermore, how does what I have learned relate to my present, future, career, professional aspiration? As a health professional, specifically a doctor, as a student of MBA program, who knows how market structure works, its relationship to stakeholders, it's available for me to execute what I have learned into my career. In bracket, in HIP 2013, page 7. Is knowledgeable, impactful, and should be able to pilot the present into the future in a positive manner, in bracket PZ 2013. Thus, as I think about the future, how might I apply my learning experience in the life of my profession? Business environment has taught me how I should apply my business practice into real life situation in regards to business. Moreover, I have worked with some organization with knowledge I have acquired from this program. I should be able to apply it in the area worrisome, which I have faced in the past. I have knowledge about in the internal environment in relationship to environmental factor without compromising benchmarking other similar competitors, in bracket project management 2021, page 80. Finally, what could I do to further my professional development outside of my formal studies, in line with what I have taught, not without compromising any of them? We all know scale of preference crucial in terms of wants and needs. I should be guided with the principle of business environment, in bracket is 2016. Conclusively, to reiterate, this self-reflection is looking into a mirror and describing what you see. Reflection means to think about something furthermore. In addition, this presentation is solely on the following guidelines by understanding of business project, environment is economic change, what my professional goals are, how does what I have learned relate to my present, future, career, professional aspiration. As I think about the future, how might I apply my learning experience in life of my profession, and what could I do to further my professional development outside of formal studies? This all contributes to my future plans and change my past thoughts. This marks the end of my presentation. Thank you.